Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple English Hub, where you learn English in simple, practical, and powerful ways. Today, I am speaking directly to you, my student. Many learners believe they need hours every day to improve their English, but they still struggle to speak. Why? Because they do not have a clear system. They study randomly, without focus. But today, I will show you something powerful. You can train your brain to speak English in just 15 minutes a day if you follow the right routine. Yes, only 15 minutes, but it must be focused, active, and consistent. So stay with me. Follow my voice like a real class, and imagine you are practicing with me right now. Now, my students, let's begin with the truth. Speaking English is a skill, not just knowledge. That means you must practice actively, not just read or listen. If you only watch videos and do nothing, your brain will understand, but it will not speak. So in this 15-minute routine, every minute has a purpose. You will listen, repeat, think, and speak. This is how you train your brain. Now let's start your 15-minute daily routine step by step. I want you to imagine a timer in your mind. We begin with the first 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, your focus is listening and shadowing. Choose a short English audio or video, something simple and clear. Now listen carefully to one sentence. For example, I wake up early every morning. Now repeat it immediately. Again, I wake up early every morning. Repeat it 5 times. Then move to the next sentence. This is called shadowing. Many learners make a mistake here. They only listen. But listening is not enough. You must repeat. This step trains your brain, your pronunciation, and your speaking rhythm. At first, it may feel difficult, but with daily practice, your brain will start copying English naturally. Now we move to the next 5 minutes. In this part, your focus is thinking and speaking simple sentences. This is where you train your brain to think in English. Look around you and describe what you see. For example, say, I am sitting. I am holding my phone. I am listening to a lesson. Or, I feel motivated. You can also talk about your day. Today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I studied English. These are simple sentences, but they are very powerful. Many learners make a mistake here. They try to use big grammar and complex words. But remember, simple English is strong English. Your brain needs simple input to become fast. Now, we move to the final 5 minutes. In this part, you will practice question and answer speaking, just like a real conversation. I will guide you, and you imagine answering. What are you doing right now? I am learning English. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my future. How do you practice English? I practice every day. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I enjoy it. This exercise is very important because it trains your brain to respond quickly without translating. Many learners understand questions but cannot answer quickly. This step fixes that problem. Now, my students, let's talk about the mistakes learners make in this routine. The first mistake is not being consistent. Some learners practice 1 day and stop for 3 days. This will not train your brain. You must practice every day, even if it is only 15 minutes. The second mistake is being passive. Watching videos without speaking is not practice. You must repeat, speak, and respond. The third mistake is fear of mistakes. Some learners stop speaking because they want to be perfect, but perfection is not the goal. Progress is the goal. Speak, make mistakes, and improve. Now, let's do a full role play together, combining everything. Imagine you've finished your 15-minute routine. Now you speak. Teacher: Hello, how are you? Student: I am fine, thank you. Teacher: What did you do today? Student: Today I studied English and practiced speaking. Teacher: How do you feel now? Student: I feel more confident. This is how your speaking improves step by step. Now, let me give you one more tip. Always use your 15 minutes wisely. Turn off distractions. Focus only on English. Even a short time can be powerful if your mind is focused. Think of this as training your brain, like exercise for your body. Small daily effort creates big results. Before we finish, I want to give you a simple challenge. For the next 7 days, follow this 15-minute routine every day. Do not skip. Do not make excuses. After 7 days, you will feel a difference. Your brain will become faster. Your confidence will grow. Now, my final message to you, my students. You do not need more time. You need the right method. These 15 minutes can change your English if you use them correctly. Start today. Speak every day. Believe in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today on the Simple English Hub. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next lesson.